So this is number 2 on page 13, and I want to clear my fractions, so I'm going to look at my denominators of 2, 3, and 12 to figure out what the LCD is. So I list the multiples of 2, and the multiples of 3, and the multiples of 12. And the smallest one that they all have in common is 12. So I want to go through and multiply my entire equation, every single thing, by 12. So I do 12 times 13 twelfths minus 12 times 1/2 n equals 12 times negative n plus 12 times 7/3. And then I'm going to go through and simplify. So if I look at the first one, I think of my denominator as division. So I'm really going to do 12 divided by 12 first, which is 1, and then 1 times the numerator 13, which is 13, minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times the numerator 1 is 6n, equals 12 times negative n is negative 12n. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times the numerator 7 is 28. And so I now have mathematically eliminated the fractions, and so I'm going to just continue on solving. So I don't have any distribution, I don't have any like terms to combine, but I do need to get the variable on one side. So I'm going to get rid of the minus 12n on this side by adding 12n to both sides. That gives me 13 plus 6n equals 28, and then I'm going to subtract 13 to get 6n equals 15. Divide both sides by 6, and I get n equals 15 over 6, which both are divisible by 3. So my final answer is that n is 5/2. If you watched this video, please put a peace sign next to number 2 so I know you watched it.